Over, Mike. Yeah. Alright. So, here in like 2 minutes, the sirens are about to go off, so let's enjoy if they do. I don't know if they will because it's January, but we'll see. Alright? And if they don't, we will talk about what's going on tomorrow. So, yeah. Let's get this going, and hopefully you guys enjoy. 58. Something's wrong with me. I think they go off only on nice days, though. So, my guess is. I'm ready for this. Here's 158 still. $59. It's about time. Let's just get this going. Oh, wait, where are we standing? Yeah. Doubt it though. Honestly, I'm doubting it. It's gonna happen. I'm doubting it's gonna happen. It takes a while for them to sound them off. Okay. Yeah, I'm doubting it though. I'm honestly doubting because it's like January. Huh? They test in January now? Oh yeah, I'm hearing my Wayland too. What the hell? Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you all tomorrow for the train video.